Oh, lakad na po tayo para mabilis tayo. Ha? So, yan po ang naunang water district. Ay, Alitagtag Water District. Headed by GM Charity. Ano yung isa? Panga City Water District. Headed by GM Yoli Oyaw. To be followed by Metro Lipa City Water District by GM Hermo Ilagan. Siya po ang ating istawad chairman ng Sports Committee. Headed by GM Simchad de la Luna at Sinulungan Water District, San Juan Water District, headed by ano to? Asa na? Deo Magpantay, GM Deo Magpantay, San Juan po Water District. So Cavite Association of Water District, pinangungunahan po ng ano yun? Carmona Water District. Das, ang isa sa pinakamalaking delegation, Das Marinas Water District. Headed by GM Ed Silva. Yan, napakarami po ng Das Marinas Water District. Cheer naman kayo! Cheer! From Tagaytay City Water District, headed by GM Ruth Albion. Sige, tuloy po ang lakad. Left, right. Tuloy po ang lakad. Para po tayo mabilis lahat. From Tagaytay City Water District. Cheer naman po dyan. Cheer. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. From GMA Water District, headed by GM Del Toralba. Siya po ang masipag nating chairman ng Istawad Sports Istawad Information and Training Committee. Hep hep! Sigaw po tayo. Okay, from Silang Water District, pinangungunahan po ng Engineer GM Albert Resurrection. Silang Water District, hep hep! Sigaw po kayo para hindi naman tayo masantuod. Yan.
Ruben! Pakita sa camera!
From Treasure Monterey Water District, pinangungunahan po ni GM Juliet Ocampo. Okay! Siyempre, ang Quezon Association of Water District, pinangungunahan po ni GM Nice Villasenor, ang president ng IWAD, at ng Pogi Gym ng Quezon Metro Water District, si Enrico Pasumbal. At ating mga nagagandahang isawad niyo. Nagtataba na. Hindi, chika lang. Yan, mga nagagandahan. Quezon Metro Water District. Katulad po ng DASMA, isang sa biggest delegation.
Direct Mano Aguas at syempre nandyan po